Hello guys. In this video, we are gonna look at what Myria is and how to create basically the wallet for Myria network. So we are going to start this video and I hope you will learn a lot. So first of all, if you are trying to connect to Myria, you will have to go to myria.com as the URL shows. So pretty simple, and the page will lead you to right this web page where you have information, and always make sure that you are trying to connect to the right URL, which is myria.com, and you can see the functions such as marketplace, ecosystem, nodes, build with Myria, and token information. Yes, and the cricketer, the legend cricketer, AB de Villiers is currently a partner with Myria ecosystem, and he is building a cricket game. Here you can check the latest news and what's upcoming regarding the Myria ecosystem. Myria is partnered with Starkware, which is a huge thing. So Myria is basically currently supporting and building a lot of Web3 gaming, and you can see upcoming games, and you can also see some other function on the main web page of Myria ecosystem. And yes, you can also see the partners with the Myria ecosystem and all the information regarding how to become a community. Okay, so remember one thing, if you click on token function, you will see that Myria token is launching really soon. And remember, there is an airdrop right now going on, which is gonna be $20,000. So make sure that you are taking part in it and you are registering for airdrop. So it's live, go to the website. Now getting to creating a wallet, how to create. If you have a MetaMask installed on your system, so just click on connect wallet and click sign in. After login success, it's gonna ask you to click on next button. You click on next one and just click sign. Okay, and it's so easy, super duper easy. It asks you to add your email address. You can, I'm just skipping for now, and my wallet is already created. So it's super simple, guys. And once again, regarding email, at the moment you can see that I don't have any funds in my wallet, and actually you can deposit funds directly from Ethereum mainnet to Myria, and the minimum, it shows that 0.005761 ETH is the minimum amount which you can deposit in your Myria wallet. And also yeah, and also going forward, if you click on your profile logo and click on inventory, it shows you information regarding what items you have in inventory at the moment, like any NFTs you purchased, etc. So it's gonna be there. And if you click on settings, it takes you there. On your profile, always make sure you set up your first name, last name, and your username. Clicking on wallet information, here you can see this is your Myria wallet. So the first one is Ethereum wallet, through which using MetaMask you are actually creating a Myria wallet, and this one right here is your Myria wallet. So for airdrop purposes, etc., wherever you need to fill the information regarding Myria wallet, this is the one, guys. You can just directly copy it and you can use it, especially if you are logging to airdrop function, and you can participate in airdrop. So this is how you gonna click on your profile. One more time, profile on the very right top side, and you can actually see the wallet information there. And here, look at what kind of games Myria is all set to launch, and some of them are already live. This is marketplace basically, so you can see NFTs right now live. And if you click on ecosystem, you're gonna see all the available games or upcoming games. So Myria is really building a lot of value by being the layer 2 for gaming and NFTs. And remember that Myria offers zero transaction cost. Yes, that's true, guys. It is a zero transaction cost network, and this is exactly how it's gonna add a lot of value. I'm super excited about this ecosystem. Because when it comes to the layer 2 solutions, you guys know that Ethereum is very expensive when it comes to gas cost, etc. And when it comes to Myria, so all you need to do is just moving some of your Ethereum from mainnet, from main wallet to Myria wallet, and after that you are actually all set and you can participate in gaming. So that's it for now. Take care, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.